Good morning, students. Uh, this is about class 9th standard CBSE Mathematics, chapter 6. I wanted to explain the exercise 6.1 solutions. Concentrate very clearly. Exercise 6.1, the very first question, they are asking us to find out the angle x. What is the value of angle x? This value they are asking. To find out the angle x, what we need to do actually? See, and also it is given in the problem AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Angle AOC plus angle BOE, where is BOE? Is equal to 70 degrees, and angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. This is how much is given? 40. And the sum of this and this will be 70 degrees is given. So how to find out? Look at this. Look at this. Very, very carefully look at this. Angle AOC is, how much angle AOC is? AOC plus BOE plus COE is 180 degrees, because AOC, BOE, COE all together 180, because they are on a straight line. So 180 degrees. After that, what to do? This is 70 degrees. Why this is 70 degrees? We know very well. AOC plus BOC plus C. We know very well that AOC plus BOE is 70. So we took 70 degrees. Then remaining COE left. COE we can find out. So COE value we get it like this. See. Angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees, which is 110 degrees. Angle COE is equal to 110 degrees. Then after that, they are asking you to find out even BOD also, I think so. So X also they are asking. So we know very well the BOD value is given 40 degrees. What is this angle? 40 degrees. So now you see this one is a straight line. See, this is 40 given. So this is a straight line, so it is 180 degrees. So X plus 110 plus 40 is 180 degrees. So using that concept, COE, this is COE plus X plus BOD is equal to 180 degrees. So you can solve for X after that. See, look. So this is the diagram. From that you can get it like this. So 110 plus X plus 40 is equal to 180. So X value is 30 degrees after solving. So try to understand. It is based on straight angle concept we have explained here. Next thing. Second question. They have given the POY is equal to 90. That means OP, this is O, this is the point O, not mentioned here. POY is equal to 90 degrees. And A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. So I can take A is equal to 2K, B is equal to 3K, since that is ratio. Since that is ratio, A is equal to 2K, B is equal to 3K. Also A plus B is equal to 90. Why A plus B is equal to 90? If you see this, see, this is 90 degrees. Reason is because it is given 90 degrees. POY is 90, so this angle is also 90, because they are on XY line. Okay. Now then it is 2K plus 3K is equal to 90, because A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So 5K is equal to 90, K is equal to 18 degrees after solving. K is equal to 18 degrees. Then what happened next? After solving, K is equal to 18 degrees. So B value, A value you find out. So this is 54, this is 36. B is 3K. CA is 2K. So then you get it, B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Using B plus C is 180 degrees, we can solve. Because why B plus C is 180? Look at it carefully. This is a straight line. So B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair of angles. But we know the value of B. How much is the value of B? 54. So B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, right? So that B plus C is 180. So B value is 54. Subtract it. 126 degrees is the required value. We get it. Next. What is next? Given that angle PRQ is equal to PQR. So PQR and PRQ are given same. These two are same. So these two angles are same. So what we have to do? We have to prove PQS is equal to PRT. PQS is equal to PRT. PQS is equal to PRT. These two angles we have to prove equal. So we know very well PQR plus PQS is 180 degrees, linear pair. Similarly, PRQ plus PRT is 180 degrees, linear pair. So once you get the two linear pairs concept, subtract equal to these two. Both the sides PQR and PRQ can be cancelled. Reason? They gave these two are equal. So PQS is equal to PRT, hence proved. Similarly, the fourth question is very easy. X plus Y plus Z plus W is 360, because it is a complete angle. But they have given X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. Look at the textbook if you have a doubt. So X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. So W plus Z is also replaced with X plus Y. W plus Z is also replaced with X plus Y, because they are equal. So 2 times X plus Y is equal to 360. X plus Y is 180. when x plus y is 180, so AOB mentioning a straight line. So xy is a linear pair of angles linear pair of angles on a AOB line. So hence AOB is a line. Okay, when it is a when sum is 180 degrees, when AOB is a straight line, then only it is 180 degrees. Okay, next fifth question. What is the fifth question? Given POQ is a line, OR perpendicular to PQ, then prove that ROS is equal to half time QOS minus ROS is equal to half time QOS minus POS. QOS minus QOS is here, POS is here. So like that we have to prove. To prove that, first take this POS plus ROS. Look at the diagram. POS plus ROS. POS plus ROS. How much? 90 degrees, because it is perpendicular condition given. QOS minus ROS. From QOS subtract ROS. You get 90 degrees again. Then after this you subtract these two equations, what we get? 1 minus 2. Then POS minus QOS, since sign will change, ROS plus ROS, 2 ROS equal to 90 minus 90 degrees, 0. 2 ROS is equal to these two, send that side, QOS minus POS. 2 also send that side, you get the required answer. Half angle QOS minus POS, hence proved. Last question. What is the last question? It is given XYZ is equal to 64 degrees and OQ is the bisector. Since this is 64, this will be how much? 180 minus 64. ZYP is 180 minus 64. ZYP is how much? 180 minus 64. ZYP 180 minus 64, which is 116 degrees. So ZYQ will be equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to 116 by 2, because this is YQ is a bisector, they said 58 degrees. So XYQ will be XYQ. So 64 plus 58. So XYQ will be 64 plus 58. This is 64, this is 58. So XYQ will be sum of this. This is 58. So we got 122 degrees. Similarly, QYP also you can write QYP 58, since YQ is a bisector. So this is 58, this is 58, because it is 116. Okay, like that we can have all the question solutions. Try to understand the questions and please do it in your notebook, everyone. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Have a good day.